Hello everyone, in this video I will show you check battery health in RealMe mobile phones. Right, so as you know, in the Android there's no such option to find the battery health. In the iOS there is, but how you can just check it? So it's really easy. You have to download application. Just go to Play Store here and you have to search for Ampere, and here you will get this up. Click on install and it will give you all this info about your battery health. Right, so in just few seconds it will get downloaded, and automatically once it get installed in your Realme phone or any other Android phone, you have to just open it up. And as you can see here, all this information about my battery is available. Right, as you can see here, it's now around 70% and max capacity is 5000 mAh. The temperature is 34°. Right, so it will give you each and everything. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.